Speaker, sir. Fear and anxiety in the minds of farmers from Sattari Taluka due to frequent damage of crops by wild and domestic animals, adversely affecting their livelihood and stable source of income. A large part of Sattari Taluka is predominantly agricultural land, where farmers cultivate a variety of agronomic and horticultural crops. However, most land holdings are small and fragmented, up to 2,000 square meters, and they mostly grow paddy and seasonal vegetables. A significant portion of the land consists of encroached properties. Therefore, these farmers are not eligible to avail of infrastructure benefits like fencing, irrigation facilities, agricultural machinery and other support under the Krishi Card scheme. While the government consistently encourages farmers to become self-reliant in agriculture and allied service activities, many women farmers in Sattari Taluka who cultivate paddy and vegetables without hired labor are facing severe challenges as their crops are frequently damaged by wild and domestic animals, adversely affecting their livelihood and stable source of income. Maybe with a change in policy amendment, such assistance may be granted against a formal undertaking from the beneficiaries, that is the farmers, that they will maintain the provided infrastructure and continue cultivation for a minimum period of 10 years. Failure to comply as per
Honorable member,
will result in
you finished
revocation.
present.
I request the Honorable
I'll read first. Magir ulayata rija. The government is taking all necessary steps to protect agriculture, horticulture cultivation in the state by implementing the 34 numbers state sector scheme, 15 number centrally sponsored scheme, and 4 number of the central sector scheme through the Director of Agriculture. The list are as below. Okay, the Human Resource Development in Agriculture, Shetkari Aadhar Nidhi, the State Agriculture Award, Special Agriculture Awards, interest subsidy on the loan of the agriculture and allied activities, development of horticulture, government intervention of the control of price rise scheme. It is a Western Ghats development program, development of the mango mango orchard in commercial lines, development of the kitchen gardens, assistance for the protected cultivation for growing the flowers and vegetables, assured price for the agriculture produce. It is 50% assistance for the hybrid coconut seedlings. It is the desilting and revitalizations of the ponds and tanks, promotion of the vegetables with assured market, promotion of the beekeeping with the honey production, assistance for a cultivation of the vegetable by self-help group and individual, assistance for the creation of the agriculture infrastructures, Kara Suraksha insurance, promotion of the organic farming, development of the manure and fertilizers, assistance for the purchase of the agriculture inputs, ST farmers, agriculture assistance to purchase of the agriculture inputs for SC farmers, the scheme for the crop protection in agriculture, assistance for the sugarcane plantation material, assistance for the high yielding and certified seeds, promotion improved technologies in food grain crops, revitalizations of khadan land by seed distributions of salt resistant paddy varieties, assistance for fencing, assistance for the community farming, promotion of the Sri Anna millets cultivation in the state of Goa, one-time assistance for the farmers for the removal of weeds, shrubs, bushes, aquatic weeds by hiring the power-driven machineries or the equipment manually. Modified scheme for the custom hiring service in agriculture, promotion of the mechanized in agriculture. Centrally sponsored scheme by the 6040, National Mission of the Agriculture Extension and Technology. Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sanchayini Yojana, per drop more crop. It is National Horticulture Mission, state level nodal agency for the watershed Goa, national project for the soil health and fertility. It is an Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana, National Mission on the Natural Farming, National Food Security Mission, Oil Palm, National Food Security Mission, Oil Seeds, National Food Security Mission, Pulses, PM Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana, Agroforestry implemented by the Forest Department, Rainfed Area of Development implemented by RCR, Submission of the Agriculture Mechanism, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, PM Kisan Coconut Development Board Program, New National Biogas and Organic Manure Program, Namo Drone Didi. Apart from the above, the new Zonal Agriculture Office by building in nearing competing at a Valpoy and will be the fully functional for the farmers, which will boost the farms in the Sattari.
Speaker, sir. हांव जे उलयता ते आमचे जे लँड आसा हे जे फार्मराचे because it is in encroached property, the land is encroached, they are alwara or whatever. Taje khatir under Krishi Card scheme, they are not getting facilities like irrigation facilities, fencing, te thanka mehna, and these are like small plots, 1,000, 2,000 square meters. And mostly women are women are cultivating, bhaji roitat or some small crops like that. But the thing is that even फुलां आणि हे सगळें पण ह्या just last month एक महिन्यानंच एक 8 दीस की 10 दिसाच्या हातून म्हणजे 2-3 पंचायतींनी एक टायमार अशे 2-3 वॉर्डांनी सेम इश्यू जाले. गवेरेडे आणि रानडुकर येवन destroyed the entire crop जे तांणी रोयिल्लें. People are going into agriculture, want to grow and improve their empty fields, but because of this issue, it is creating a lot of financial issues for them. And under Krishi Card scheme, आमचे maximum farmers are over 5,000 Krishi Card asa, but आमचे हे जे थोडे Krishi Card asa under that scheme, because the land doesn't belong to them, ownership ना म्हणून तांकां fencing आणि हे मेळना. तुम्ही तर कितें तरी मातशी पॉलिसी तर अमेंडमेंट केलो आणि एक अंडरटेकिंग घेतले की बाबा 10 वर्सां ते थंय रोयतले कित्याक सो दॅट टुमॉरो समबडी मे फेन्स अँड सेल द प्रॉपर्टी. तुम्ही तर ते अंडरटेकिंग घेतले तांचे कडल्यान की 10 वर्सां कंपल्सरीली देल प्लांट समथींग एंड देल हे सो ते तरी करून तरी तांकां खूब फायदो जातलो. नाजाल्यार जे पळय कोण आतां एग्रीकल्चरान हात घालता ती मातशी आतां फाटल्यान सरता कित्याक तांकां मेळना म्हणून बेनिफिट्स फ्रॉम द गव्हर्मेंट. म्हणजे तुम्ही पळया माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्याक सांगता.